Hello dear students, a very good day to all of you. We will start our day with the COVID pledge. I, Reena Verma, commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow key COVID appropriate behaviors, to always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places, to maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others, to wash my hand frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together we will win this fight against COVID-19. I hope all of you are staying home and safe from this chronic disease and following the key instructions as given by your parents and teachers, like wearing the face mask, keeping the social distance and washing your hands gradually at regular interval of time to stay away from this disease. Today we will start our day with the next concept of our topic, the earth as a planet. Now we are doing B part today, that is answer the following questions in detail. Our first question is, Earth's right distance from Sun is one of the most important factor making life possible on Earth. Explain. So how Earth being at the right distance from Sun is suitable for Earth? The Earth is at the right distance from Sun and the temperature is suitable for living organism. We all know that pretty well. Unlike other planets like Mercury and Venus, it does not suffer from extreme hot or extremely low temperature. तो जैसे कि दूसरे प्लैनेट्स होते हैं, जैसे मरकरी वीनस हो गया, वहाँ पे टेम्परेचर बहुत ज़्यादा होता है ड्यू टू बीइंग टू क्लोज टू सन, एंड अदर प्लैनेट्स जुपिटर एंड सैटर्न रिमेन कोल्ड ड्यू टू बीइंग टू फार फ्रॉम सन. अर्थ का हमारा एवरेज टेम्परेचर इट रिमेन्स 17 डिग्री. माइनर वेरिएशन इज देयर विद द डिस्टेंस ऑफ अर्थ फ्रॉम द सन वुड हैव मेड इधर टू हॉट और टू कोल्ड. अगर ये डिस्टेंस हमारा थोड़ा सा भी कम ज़्यादा होता तो अवर अर्थ माइट बी टू हॉट और टू कोल्ड. अगर ये ज़्यादा पास हो जाती है इट बिकम टू हॉट, अगर ये ज़्यादा दूर हो जाती है आवर अर्थ बिकम्स टू कोल्ड, सो इट विल नॉट बी सुटेबल फॉर द लाइफ ऑन द अर्थ. सो that is the logical reason, that is why our earth have suitable organic life weather over here. Next question is, explain the role of atmosphere in making the earth's environment suitable for living organism. So initially we did the role play of the distance. Now we will see the role play of the atmosphere in the organic life of the earth. The presence of atmosphere around the earth is most important factor making environment suitable for living organism. एटमॉस्फेयर की जो प्रेजेंस है वो हमारी अर्थ पे सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है फॉर ऑर्गेनिक लाइफ. एटमॉस्फेयर में मोस्टली क्या चीज़ें होती हैं? नाइट्रोजन इज़ देयर, ऑक्सीजन, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड विद अदर गैसेस. नाउ एवरीबडी नोज दैट ऑक्सीजन इज़ रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द ब्रीदिंग पर्पज and nitrogen helps in keeping the atmosphere cool, and it is also very important nutrient needed by plants. Now plants need nitrogen for their nutrition as well. And presence of carbon dioxide also play a key role. So how is it necessary? We all know that carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas and it keeps the earth warm with its feature of absorbing the heat and warmth of sun. So presence of carbon dioxide is also necessary as it keeps the temperature variation between day and night within tolerable range. Because carbon dioxide during the night when there is no sun, it did not let the earth heat pass out to the space and it keeps the earth warm. So it keeps the earth warm during nights. Hence the atmosphere acts as protective layer around the earth to keep the earth suitable for living organism. Next one what we have explain how the food chain is basis of maintenance of life in biosphere. Now how is food chain is very essential for biosphere. Food chain means energy flow in biosphere. Food chain का meaning क्या है? The flow of energy from one organic life to another. Through these linkages, the energy synthesized by plant is passed on to herbivores. तो इसी वजह से जो एनर्जी है सबसे पहले जो प्लांट्स में आती है ड्यू टू प्रिपरेशन ऑफ देयर फूड, दे आर कॉल्ड ऑटोट्रॉफ्स, उससे ये पास होती है हर्बीवोर्स में. हर्बीवोर्स आर दोज हु ईट प्लांट. फिर उसके बाद इन टर्न इट पास इट टू द कार्निवोर. फिर जो एनिमल कार्निवोर को ईट करते हैं, ये एनर्जी जो है उनमें पास हो जाती है, राइट। तो नेक्स्ट वन इज upon the death of carnivore become food of decomposer. When carnivores died they become the food of decomposer, यानी कि जो एनर्जी कंज्यूम्ड होती है it will ultimately go down to earth through decomposer. So this flow of energy is the basis of the maintenance of life in the biosphere. So this is the complete life cycle of energy that started from the sun, then goes to the plants for preparation of their food with the process of photosynthesis, right, and from that it goes to the insect or the herbivore animals who eat plants directly, and from herbivore it goes to carnivores who eat those animals who had eaten plants on the initial stage, and in the end when those animal decomposes, those energy that is being consumed by them ultimately consumed by the decomposer down to the earth. Now about we have few terms that define the following term. Biosphere, the physical environment of the earth made up of three realms. हम सभी को पता है तीन realms होते हैं, those are hydrosphere, lithosphere and atmosphere. When we combine these three atmosphere it creates biosphere. Next what we have hydrosphere. As the name suggests, hydrosphere means water related. So हम सभी को पता है water is essential for life and earth का 71% जो surface है that is covered with water. So the oceans and the sea, not only these but also continents in the water bodies like rivers and lakes, and जो solid state में भी occur करता है in the form of snow and ice, all these combined make the hydrosphere. Due to abundance of water of earth it is often called watery planet and blue planet. हमारी अर्थ का 71% जो एरिया है सरफेस एरिया वाटर के साथ कवर होने की वजह से इसे वाटरी प्लैनेट भी कहा जाता है. एंड व्हेन फ्रॉम द स्पेस व्हेन वी लुक एट इट इट लुक्स कम्प्लीटली ब्लू ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ वाटर, सो इट इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड अ blue planet. So that is all for today. Thank you.